So I've already completed 13 rounds. This is a larger basket. So if you were going to make a smaller vase, just make the base of this smaller and the whole entire thing smaller. I wanted to show it to you on a larger scale so that you can really see how to shape this. This is where my rounds are beginning. So I am going to now begin to pull this in. So I will do my regular wrapping. And now when I go in with my needle, I'm going to pull my filler cord in so that it is not stacked directly over the previous round. I want it to go in a little bit, and you have to do this the whole entire way and make sure you're wrapping this tight. That's going to make it hold its shape. So if you don't wrap this tight, it's not going to stay in place. So it's just going to be the exact process all the way around. Go in with my needle right here, pull this in, wrap nice and tight, pulling that filler cord in towards me. So as you can already see, with just 2 wraps, it's already starting to take shape. So I will complete this round and then show you how to begin the next round. Okay, that round is done. And now I am going to do the same thing again, pulling my filler cord in. All right, again, pulling that nice and tight. And something that I like to do is kind of tug my cord over to the right, and that helps eliminate some of the spacing in between the double wrap and the next wrap. So I am just going to continue doing this for a few more rounds, pulled in just like that. So this is going to start to go in after I do several more rounds. So for every round, I'm just pulling this in. So for this vase that I did, the base was much smaller, but I'm using jute for this one, and it's much more sturdy than the t-shirt yarn that I'm currently using. So I just went in at a slight angle for most of these rounds and then went straight up. I am on the 5th round right now of the curve that I'm doing, and I am pulling this in as much as I can. So basically I'm just almost bringing it to the side of the previous round, but it's still stacked on top. That is because this t-shirt yarn is so stretchy, and in order to get the shape that I want, I have to make sure that I'm pulling that filler cord in. So it is taking shape nicely. It is starting to close, which is what I'm trying to achieve, and then I'm going to bring it up. So once I do a few more rounds, I'm going to show you how I bring it up. I completed 8 rounds that go up at an angle to get it to be this shape. Now I am going to add in gray t-shirt yarn. And as you can see, this is much smaller on top now. So I am just going to lay the new piece on the other side and then grab it here and begin to wrap. If you're looking for a full tutorial on how to make a coiled basket, you can head over to my channel and check out my coiled basket playlist. Now for the remaining rounds, instead of pulling my filler cord in, I am just going to place it directly over the previous round. So I'm not pulling it in anymore, and that is going to help it go straight up. So you have to take your time and make sure you are checking it, because sometimes our tension pulls towards the inside and you might still see it closing up a little bit. So really make sure that you are holding it directly over the previous round. I am working on the 3rd round so far, and I wanted to show you how it's going straight up because I am not pulling the filler cord towards me at all. I'm just stacking it. Now I'm going to show you how I created the top like this. So I completed 7 rounds in the gray, and now I will be pushing my filler cord out like this. So it's the same process as far as the wrapping goes. And I am going to make sure I'm doing this part tight, just like when I was pulling it in, but I'm going to leave it out. So I'm going to do this for the entire round, pushing it out, and then I'll do one more round like that, and I'll show you when I get to it. This round is done, and so I am going to do a few more rounds the same way and continue to go out. So just like this. Looking at the side of my basket, I can see right here is where my rounds are ending. So I am right at that spot, so I'm going to cut this at an angle. Now that I cut it, I'm taking smaller scissors and I'm still going to try to thin this out just a little bit more. All right, and now I'm just going to keep wrapping until it is all completely covered. Because I'm pulling it down tight, this slides off and this is showing, but it's okay because I'm going to go back over it again. And because this is t-shirt yarn, I'm opening it a little bit to help with that coverage. So it looks good, it's nice and covered, but I'm going to do it 1 or 2 more times. And now I'm going to take the needle and weave it underneath a few of these stitches and pull it through. Take my scissors and trim that off. And then just go like this to fix it up a little bit. And that is it. That is how you shape a basket. All you have to do is pull your filler cord in or out depending on the way that you want your basket to be shaped. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.